You searched how to buy shares of Nichols Plc. Nichols is a British beverage manufacturer known for brands like Vimto, and it trades on the LSE plc under the ticker NICL.L. This is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to be able to purchase. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker NICL.L to find the listing. Check the results carefully to locate the correct Nichols Plc share. Open the Nichols Plc asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the name and ticker NICL.L to ensure it's the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed according to order type. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After confirmation, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For the platform shown in this demonstration, find the link in the description below.